Stuart MacDonald.
Thank you, Mr Speaker, and thanks to the Secretary for advance sight of his statement. When the MDP was announced over a year ago, Mr Speaker, it was supposed to be a sustainable and affordable defence settlement. Well, it fails on both of those challenges. It is, of course, welcome that there are pots of funding, some pots of funding that he's managed to announce today, but the £1.8 billion that he references is only for this year alone. It hardly shows the mark of a sustainable programme. Mr Speaker, it's also remarkable that he leaps between between what he's going to spend and wanting more money from the Chancellor. It shows that the Modernising Defence Programme has spectacularly missed the point of why it was initiated in the first place. Now, after meeting with me in March of this year, he knows that my party wanted to see a focus on the High North. He knows we wanted a focus on Scotland's maritime territory. Both of those things are missing from the statement. He hasn't addressed the £15 billion black hole identified in the equipment plan by the National Audit Office. And of course he knows we wanted to see something in his statement about the declining size of the armed forces, but sadly that was missing as well. So for the longest defence review in the history of his department, Mr Speaker, it looks to me like these conclusions are extremely thin, to be charitable. So can I ask him if he will finally stop storing up problems for the future? Will he make a switch to what we've suggested, which are multi-year defence agreements, which in fairness there seems to be a vague nod to in his statement? Or is he going to leave it to one of his successors to give our armed forces the certainty that all of them deserve?